Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings, also known as Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 108. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Teacher Jing and Jiuyan. Sinan, I understand you. So I can help you this time. Well, right now, Yuyan, she's trying to comfort Sinan. Also, for Akshu. But if you make a mistake once, you should learn the lesson. Akshu said, next time, there will be such a temptation. Well, definitely, she was right. That's why right now she's trying to console Sinan. Once again, Jiyan said, can you keep your heart? Well, probably she said that because Sinan was new into this field. That's why right now there's a lot of people may take advantage of herself, especially she was still young and has no experience in this field. Two of them, Jiuyan and Akshu, is trying to console and fighting Sinan. But Jiuyan said to her, Sinan, I don't know if I'm qualified to say this to you. But actually, I hope that after this incident, you can understand. Well, let's really hope for it that Sinan, she will really learn her lessons, especially what happened today. What is it that you want most? There's no right or wrong in the choice itself. Well, Jiyan, she is really great. She's trying to convince on Sinan. However, there is something wrong with regret. Because of regret, now, Jiyan. While saying this, she was holding the hands of Akshu. Well, probably because of the experience of the two of them. Finally, Jiyan, she really remembers. Regret is really the price is too high. Well, she was right, based on her experience. Of course, the two of them really face highs, especially Akshu. Because of the fuss and her mistakes, Akshu really suffered a lot. Right now, it really come to her senses. Sinan, she was wiping her tears, and probably Akshu said to her right now. Akshu said, Teacher G is right, but I regret this. It is too idealistic to say that you will never make a choice that you regret in the future. Well, Akshu also is right. But right now, let's hope. Sinan, she can really learn her lesson, especially following the advice of Jiuyan and Akshu. It is impossible to miss once in a life. Regretted it once, can never more a mistake again. Well, hearing this, of course, Jiuyan, she looked up on Akshu. Probably the two of them are looking at each other right now. Because of the past mistake, the two of them are really suffering a lot. It makes sense to them. That's why Akshu and Jiuyan don't want to make the same mistake they ever did before. The two of them are still young. That's why everything they can do now is trying to protect Sinan. Also to teach her a lesson about our life lessons. So Sinan, she cannot make another mistakes in the future. Well, let's really hope for this. Hearing all the advices, of course right now Sinan, she kept herself silent. Saudi and the program team are here. I'll try my best to reduce big things to small things. You can continue to playing with a peace of mind. Well, right now, also trying to lift up, cheer her up. But it's up to you later, the two of them said to Sinan. Sinan said, it is enough. Well, probably, let's really hope for this. Sinan, she will really learn her lesson, especially what happened. Teacher Jing, thank you. Back then, that's the tuition I should pay. Oh, this girl. Now she really know how to coax big people. Sinan, she stopped crying and looking at her. She was really smiling brightly. If it doesn't work, I leave this circle. I just entered the circles when I was 16 years old. People with the same generation as me, how now? I achieved some success. Maybe, in reality, not suitable for this path. I can risk it, Sinan said to them. But I can bear the loneliness. Well, she was right. It was really lonely when you're starting from slow. Although I'm very reluctant. Ah, always recognize the distance between the dreams and reality. Well, she has some good points. What are you thinking about? Jiyan said to Sinan. How old are you now? When I was your age, I accomplished nothing. Oh, this is it. Jiyan, she was really great on cheering up people. Teacher Jing, at this age, she already won a movie queen. Sinan, I've been through detours before. Later on, I became more and more aware of the truth. Oh, hearing this, of course, Sinan will really feel fatter. Don't compare with the others. It is too tiring. Well, Jian, she really have some good points. Anyone else but there is always be someone who can compare to. Maybe each other, our own time zone. A person born in London will always see the sun an hour later than a person who's born in Rome. Somewhat later, it's not our fault. Well, definitely, Jian was right. We just need to accumulate calories in our own time zone through the long cold night. Oh, this is really the sweetest thing she ever said. Right now, hearing this, there will be always time when the sun shines in our own time zone. Oh, Jian, lifting up the spirits of someone, especially on what she's doing right now to Sinan. Well, let's really hope for this. Right now, let's really wish this for them. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!